have a tough job. You got a huge job. You got a tough job. You crush rocks with your hands. I don't know what you do, but you do a tough job. Wait until the count of three. When your name under your job on the count of three. Go for the gold medal on the count of three. Shimmy up. 1, 2, 3. Shimmy the big bodies. Eyes close, eyes. Feel your body. You're huge. You're tough. You're strong. Big bodies. Oil under your chair. Oil under your chair. Sit up with lifter. Put that oil on your body. Take that oil, put it on your body. Yes, rub that oil all over your body. Beautiful. Yes, put it in your arms and legs. And yes, make your body gorgeous and rub it. Yes, rub it. With the TV cameras, you're working years and put that oil on your beautiful body parts. Yes, and set the oil. Sir, how much weight will you lift for us today? You're huge, you're tough. How much weight will you press for us today? 5,000 pounds. 5,000 pounds. I like it. How much weight will you lift for us today, ma'am?
1,000.
1,000. How much weight will you lift for us today, sir? 1,000, baby. 1,000 pounds. What will you lift for us today, ma'am? 200 pounds. Get sure to win the competition. What will you lift for us today, sir? Infinity.
That's great.
Wait! The moment has arrived. You've worked years and years. Your body, your muscles are primed, they're pumped. You've worked years and years, and some of you minutes for this power lift. But you've got to stand before we do the power lift. So no steps. Stand with your big, huge body. Stand! Stand, no steps, just stand. 1 billion people be a satellite watching this power lift. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a huge day. It's a big day. Weightlifter, come forward. Weightlifter, forward. Yes, weightlifters, at your toes, there's barbells. 1,752 pounds. 1,752 pounds. So weightlifters, bend over, hands on the barbells. We're going to watch, we're going to see, we're going to hear what it sounds like when a human being attempts to go for the goal. 1, we're going to watch 1 billion people. Every ounce of energy in your home, everything in your life goes to this moment. 2, weightlifters on the count of 3 for the Olympic gold medal. 1, 2, 3, go! Push it, push it, push it, push it, push it, and the crowd goes wild! Sit down your weights, sit down, sit down! You've won! You won the title! Give yourselves a hand! You won! You've taken the title. Yes, it is a championship. It is a world record. Muscle and Fitness magazine is here. They'll put you on the cover. So stand, Big Bear, and on the count of 3, we're going to put you on the cover of Muscle and Fitness. 1, 2, 3, pose, go, pose! 3, don't move, hold the pose. Hold it. On the count of 3, show them a better, stronger pose. 1, 2, 3, go! Big body, huge body. Sir, what pose do you call that right there? The back end. On the count of 3, show the best pose you have. 1, 2, 3, go! What pose do you call that, sir? What do you call that? There's a chair. Sit down back in your chair. Find your chair. Sit back down in your chair. Sit down. They want to be He crushes rocks. What is your name?
Leviticus.
Leviticus. What's your job? What is it?
I kill people.
That's a hard job. That's a bad job. I don't like that job. I want to know what's your name. What is your name? Pika. What is your no, you would never laugh at your name. Always. Usually it's women. They get a little giddy at this point. Always. What's your name? Sir. Hunter. Hunter. What's your job? Hunter. He's a hunter. What is your name? Butch. What's your job? Butch. Dog walker. He's a dog walker. He walks your dog. That's gonna walk. What's your name? What's your name?
The
What's your job? What is it?
woman.
The woman. What's your job? The woman.
I kick butt.
What's your name? Hans. What's your name? What's your name? What's your name? Pickens. Paper clips. Paper clips. He's a tangible object. What is your name? Barry. What's your job? Barry. Bouncer. Try to count me. Sorry, it doesn't work. What's your name? Tyke. What's your job? Tyke. I'm beggars for a living.
That's horrible.
3, 2, 1.